most exciting 5 minutes of your day, unless you've recently discovered a hidden stash of chocolate in your desk. I'm here to talk about Deepseek, the AI-powered platform that's like Sherlock Holmes for your data. Spoiler alert. It doesn't wear a deer stalker hat, but it's just as brilliant. Let's face it, data is everywhere. It's in your spreadsheets, your emails, your smart fridge that judges you for eating leftover pizza at 2 a.m. But here's the problem. Data doesn't come with a manual. It's like IKEA furniture. Confusing, overwhelming, and if you're not careful, you'll end up with something that looks like a modern art sculpture. That's where Deepseek comes in. It's the Allen wrench your data has been waiting for. So, what is Deepseek? Imagine if your favorite detective, your smartest friend, and a really fast computer had a baby. That's Deepseek. It's an AI-powered platform that helps you make sense of your data. It does 3 things. Data integration. It grabs data from everywhere, like a digital raccoon rummaging through your tech trash. AI algorithms. It analyzes the data with the precision of a cat judging your life choices. Actionable insights. It gives you clear, easy-to-understand recommendations so you don't need a PhD in dataology. Here's how it works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Data collection. Deepseek pulls data from your systems, CRM, ERP, social media, even your Fitbit if you're into step counts. It's like a data hoarder, but in a good way. Step 2. Data cleaning. Not all data is useful. Some of it is like that expired coupon in your wallet, just taking up space. Deepseek cleans it up, removing duplicates and errors. Think of it as a Marie Kondo for your data. Step 3. Analysis. This is where the magic happens. Deepseek's AI algorithms analyze the data, finding patterns and trends faster than you can say, "Wait, how did it know that?" Step 4. Insights delivery. Finally, Deepseek serves up the insights in a sleek dashboard. It's like getting a gourmet meal instead of a microwave dinner. Fancy, satisfying, and no cleanup required.